whether they are eukaryotes, whether they are mesokaryotes, whether they are plants, animal, microbes, the histone protein, the histone protein, and you also know that these histone proteins are identical in all the living organisms, but you know that in case of the prokaryotic cell, bacterial cell, histone proteins are absent, and there is no formation of nucleosome. But in place of histone protein, there are some other protein in bacterial cell which stabilize or which neutralize the acidic nature of the DNA. But these histone proteins are found in the eukaryotic cell for the organization of DNA in the eukaryotic chromosome. And these histone proteins which are found in the DNA in case of the eukaryotic organisms are identical in all the eukaryotes. There is no difference. These histone proteins have been conserved during the evolutionary process. There has been no change in the histone protein. All the histone protein found in the plant, animal, and human beings are always identical. But these non-histone proteins, this non-histone protein have undergone have undergone changes. But that means that non-histone proteins are different. Non-histone proteins vary from the organism to organism, and not only this, the histone protein found in one part of one tissue may not be found in the other tissues of the body. What that is shows that non-histone protein has not been conserved during the process of evolution, and non-histone proteins are variable, and they vary from organism to organism, and not only from organism to organism and species to a species. Rather, the different tissues in your body have different non-histone protein. Therefore, this non-histone protein uh, show variation, but histone proteins does not show any variation in all the eukaryotic organisms. You know that in case of prokaryote, there is no formation of nucleosome, there is no requirement of histone protein. So in prokaryotes, histone proteins are absent, but in all the eukaryotes, histone proteins are identical, and all the but the non-histone proteins are not identical. Rather, they show variation. So this is the and now let us see the very important point today here, that this H1, H2, H2A and H2B. H2 and H2B are rich in lysine rich. H2A or H2B lysine rich hota hai. I have told you that the histone proteins are basic due to the presence of arginine and lysine. So this H2 and H2B are rich in lysine. Rich in H2A, H2B are the lysine rich. Similarly, this H3 is also lysine rich, but H4 is arginine rich. H4 has larger amount of arginine. Similarly, H2A, H1 you also see here, H1 is very rich in lysine. The largest H1 has larger amount of lysine. Similarly, this H4 is rich in the arginine. Similarly, the H3 protein and H2B and H2A is also rich in the lysine. So these are the very important chemical constituent of the chromosome. Histone protein is very important, and you know that these histone protein play two very important role in the chromosome. Histone protein, the first role they play, it helps in the chromatin organization, and the second role it plays. What is the second role of histone protein? This histone protein, being basic in nature, it neutralizes the acidic nature of DNA. So there are 5 types of the histone proteins: H2, H3, H2, H2B, H3, H4, and H1. Similarly, there are 5 types. These are the you have seen here the protein. Protein as a constituent of the chromosome. The main protein found in the chromosome is the histone protein. Similarly, the main nucleic acid found in the chromosome is the DNA. And in addition to DNA, some molecule of RNA are also found. Similarly, in addition to histone, some proteins are also found. And I have made it very clear that the chromosome consists of major 2 chemical components. The first component is the DNA, and the second component is the histone protein. And these 2 things, DNA and histone, makes about 90% or even more than the 90% chemical part of this chromosome. And the rest 10% include the some molecules of RNA and non-histone protein. Now let us see one by one. Just I am going now. Let us. I have just described the chemical constituent. Now let us. You know that the nucleic acid present in the chromosome is the DNA, and you have already studied the DNA, and it is being taught by the Farina that the DNA stand for. You know that the deoxyribonucleic acid. You also know the polynucleotide chain. The polynucleotide chain include the polynucleotide chain consists of a number of nucleotides, and you also know that these nucleotides present in the DNA are of the four types: deoxyadenylic acid, deoxyadenylic acid, deoxyguanylic acid, deoxythymidyllic acid, and deoxycytidyllic acid. Similarly, the phosphorus present, the phosphate group present in this nucleic in the nucleic acid is the H3PO4. Phosphoric acid, you also know it. I think that you might be knowing all these things. Similarly, the sugar present in the deoxyribose sugar is C5H10O4. Okay, because deoxy means there is lack of one oxygen at the second position here. Look here. And now let us come to the this. You have seen the phosphorus. P stands for the phosphoric acid, which helps in which make the phosphodiester bond. The sugar, which is the main constituent. The sugar is the deoxyribose sugar. The molecular empirical formula is there, C5H10O4. Now let us see the nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases are of two types: pyrimidine bases and purine bases. In the here we have only written here the pyrimidine bases present in the DNA. I have not indicated here the uracil. So now you know the molecular structure of this nucleotide pyrimidine and purine bases. Let me know. You know that the pyrimidine bases has a ring which is known as the pyrimidine ring, and the numbering. You also know the methods of numbering of this pyrimidine ring from this point, position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the pyrimidine ring, and pyrimidine ring is present in the pyrimidine bases. And now let us look here the second ring. The second ring, the second nitrogenous base, which is the purine. Purine consists of, this is the purine ring. Purine ring also incorporates one of the pyrimidine ring and the other ring. What is the name of the other ring? Hello?